Ever wondered how to snag a ride with Uber in just a few taps? Let's get you moving. First, tap the Uber app icon on your phone to open the app and get started booking your ride. See that Where To bar at the top? That is where you enter your destination. Simply tap on the bar to open the search field. Type in your desired destination, like Central Park, and choose the correct address from the list that appears. Uber will then show you different ride options like UberX, Uber Black, or Uber Pool, with estimated prices for each. Choose the option that best suits your needs and budget. Check the confirmation screen carefully. Make sure your pickup location and destination, as well as the price, look right before proceeding. Tap the Confirm UberX or whichever ride option you chose to request your ride, but only if you are sure you're ready to go. The app will then show you the driver's name, photo, car model, and license plate, as well as their estimated time of arrival. You can track their progress on the map in real time. And that's it. Once the driver arrives, hop in, confirm your destination, and enjoy your ride. Safe travels.